Warning, you may not realize it yet, but you're about to miss out on the biggest economic boom in history. However, if you're willing to pay attention and follow 3 simple steps, I'll show you right here on this video how you can still turn a simple $10 bill into $10,000 or more. I'm not kidding. It's happening right now. Everyday people just like you are getting started on shoestring investments and getting returns of tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars in a matter of months, sometimes weeks. And by the time you finish watching this short video, you'll know how to do the same. Because the fact of the matter is that it couldn't be easier, even if you know nothing about cryptocurrencies. And even if you've never invested a red cent in your life. In fact, the smartest people in the financial world are going all in on cryptocurrencies. They're praising the spectacular growth it's experiencing. And they're actually putting their money where their mouths are. Just take a look. Henry Blodgett, the super smart guy who founded Business Insider, recently stated, "There is infinite upside to cryptocurrencies." Brian Kelly, the chief trader for CNBC, said, "Cryptocurrencies are following the same exponential growth trajectory as the internet. It's a once-in-a-generation investment opportunity." Inc. magazine recently released an editorial titled, "Cryptocurrencies are creating billion-dollar industries." In short, smart people with money are starting to take notice, and this can only mean one thing. That explosive growth is about to happen in crypto, and if you move fast, you'll be able to profit massively from this shift in our economy. Now, let me be perfectly clear about something. This video is not about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as I'm sure you already know, is the most recognized currency. It gained a lot of popularity after turning many regular people around the world into millionaires. The thing is, all the fast money in Bitcoin has already been made. I mean, it was easy to make a quick fortune with it back in 2010, when Bitcoin cost only a few pennies. But nowadays, well, you can forget about it. A single Bitcoin is worth more than $10,000 now, and making any decent money from it would require you to invest a small fortune. And for most people, well, that's a deal breaker. The good news is that while the mass media is keeping everybody else focused on Bitcoin, hundreds of smaller cryptocurrencies have popped up all around. More than 1,500 of them, in fact. And those are the ones where the real money is being made today. Because unlike the very expensive Bitcoin, these newer digital coins are still trading for pocket change, and many of them are taking off faster than anyone could have predicted. Let me give you an example. There's one cryptocurrency called Verge. If you had invested a single $100 bill on it 4 months ago, today you'd be cashing out your investment for a whopping $57,136. 4 months. Think about it. That's just 16 weeks. Can you think of any other investment that shows profits like this? But Verge is not the only one. Let's take a look at another digital coin called Nexus. Had you invested $100 4 months ago when it was trading for pennies, you'd have an extra $66,500 in your bank account today. And that's just from a tiny $100 investment. Now imagine if you got in with a little more, say $2,000. That's a decent investment. Well, if that'd been the case, today you'd be looking at a $1.3 million payday. That's right. You'd be a millionaire today, all thanks to a single trade. And that's just the beginning, really. A coin called Stellar saw a massive jump in value and grew by 14,641% in the past 10 months. NEM increased by 28,020% in less than 1 year. And Ripple skyrocketed by 38,333% in the past few months. And the good news is that upward shifts like these are happening today, right now. And they're going to keep happening steadily for several different coins in the upcoming months. In fact, experts are predicting that a series of events that are unfolding right now could result in up to $1 trillion in new money from the growth of key cryptocurrencies alone. This massive growth will take place in a very near future, and it only means one thing. You are in the right place, and at the right time. And if you can swing even a tiny $20 investment, you could very well pack your bank account with retirement fortune just a few months from now. At $500 billion, cryptocurrencies are already the biggest economic boom in history. bigger than the stock market boom in the 20s, bigger than the tech boom in the 90s, bigger than the housing boom in the 2000s. And believe it or not, it's about to get bigger. I'm talking supernova big. Simply put, this right here is your chance to cash in on the most important wealth creation bonanza that has ever existed. It's never been easier to turn even the smallest investments into life-changing money. Think about it for a minute. How differently would you live your life if every time you woke up in the morning you were thousands of dollars richer? Where would you go on your next vacation? What kind of car would you drive? What sort of home would you like to live in? And what if you knew that all you did to make it happen was invest a single $20 bill at precisely the right time? Well, right now is the time to do it. Right now. Right now, you're at the right place and at the right time. Right now is your opportunity to turn a tiny $20 investment into tens of thousands of dollars in a matter of weeks, sometimes even days. Right now is your chance to turn yourself into a crypto millionaire. Right now, it's all happening right now, and you're here and ready for it. That is the good news. Now here's the bad news. Because yes, there is a downside to it. No matter how much it hurts, the truth is that this wealth creation shortcut won't last forever. Like all good things in life, it's going to come to an end. Nobody knows exactly when it's going to happen, but I do know that if you wait a year or two, you'll certainly be too late to the game. And when it's over, you won't come across another opportunity like it again, not during your lifetime. This means that you're getting a small window of opportunity to act, and it's slowly but steadily closing with each passing day. And if you let it pass by, there's a good chance you'll regret it for the rest of your life. No need to worry though, because as I said before, you're in the right place and at the right time. And if you take action, you, like me, will have the ability to turn even small investments into massive earnings in a matter of a few weeks. My brand new hands-on training program will show you how to do it. It's called Digital Gold Rush, and it's like nothing else you'll find out there. Digital Gold Rush is designed to cut right to the heart of the matter, leaving out all the fluff and getting you the results you expect in the shortest time possible. You'll learn how and where to safely buy cryptocurrencies, how to know which coins to invest in, which ones to hold on to while their value rises, and which ones to steer clear from, how to pinpoint upward trends with surgical precision before they even happen, how to quickly identify scams and other schemes that could cost you dearly, and much, much more. In short, you'll acquire the knowledge you need to make smart investments, take advantage of the upcoming events that will skyrocket crypto prices, and most importantly, how to exponentially multiply your money in record time. Best of all, this really is a hands-on training. No fluff or filler, and no useless theory. Only critical core concepts and straightforward instructions on what to do, how to do it, and when to do it to produce maximum profits. And that's exactly what you need, right? A ready-to-deploy action plan that actually works and earns life-changing money fast. The kind of money that gives you the freedom and liberty to live life on your own terms. The kind of money that lasts for generations. And I am so certain that this training will get results for you that I am willing to take the risk off your shoulders and put it squarely into mine by offering you a full, no questions asked, 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you'll get to test drive Digital Gold Rush for 60 days. And if for any reason you decide it's not for you, all you need to do is tell me, and I'll issue a quick and friendly refund. But hey, I'm positive you won't need it, because I'm absolutely certain that if you follow the simple action plan, you'll make your money back many times over with your first crypto trade. Now remember, the window of opportunity is slowly but surely closing in, and every day you wait, someone else is growing rich from cryptocurrencies. So much money is being made so fast that the world's biggest banks, financial institutions, and venture capital firms are all eyeing crypto as their next play. They move slow, but they're already on the move. And once they get in, the prices of crypto will skyrocket overnight, and it will be game over for tiny investors. But right now, the window is still open. Right now, you're in the right place and at the right time. Right now is the time to do it. And the faster you move, the more money you'll make. So don't wait a minute longer. Click the button below this video and start following the quick and easy action plan right now. Digital Gold Rush. Digital Gold Rush is an instant download, so there's nothing slowing you down. Click the button right now and be a part of the largest financial boom in history. For your own future's sake, don't let this crypto opportunity pass you by. Click the button right now and start living the life you know you deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.